Hello, it is a bright day, and this is your brother ekfrimpongtheteacher, the teacher, and you're on KOKMinistries, Kingdom of Knowledge Ministry. I am always delighted to be at your service. Today on Singles and Searching, we are looking at a whole series which we have titled Solving Broken Hearts, or Solving the Issues of Broken Hearts. You know, most of the times our women are the victim. Sometimes the men also fall victim. But looking at the percentages, the woman may carry the majority. The truth of the matter is how we accept proposals. And as we begin dating, what our expectations and our conclusions are, and what we want to see or where we want to see the relationship. And that is why we get broken hearts. You see, this is a practical reality. When a man proposes to you to go out with you or to be his date, he is not asking you for marriage. He's not talking about the two of you getting married. All he's asking of you is for you, the two of you, to take a walk together, to do the comparison and analysis to see whether you can suit him as a wife. Most men, when they propose to you, they just want a date, and that's all. Except a man who knows you already, a man who may be in the same church, the same vicinity, the same office with you, who has been studying you for a period of time. He comes in and he's ready because he has studied you over a period of time. He has gone over all his ideas about you, and he's sure that you can suit him as a wife. Apart from those type of gentlemen, which is not always true that they actually need a wife. They may be observing you and making their own analysis about you and conclude that you suit them as a wife. They will come closer and they'll realize maybe you are not what they thought, or you are not the result they had as the behind the scenes analysis they did. Therefore, if a man proposes to you, as a woman, I want you to do this. Accept him only on the condition, or condition your mind that you are accepting the proposal for the two of you to get to know each other. Yes, it should only be about getting to know each other and nothing else. Most at times, the ladies conclude on the man. When a lady dates a man for 3 months, she will be able to conclude whether he is her suitable partner for life. He is her future husband for life. But it doesn't happen to men that way. Men takes longer periods and time to conclude on a woman. That aside, a man will only conclude when he begins to think about marriage. So when a man proposes to you, he is actually not thinking about marriage. He's thinking about a friend. He's thinking about someone to court. He's thinking about someone to have fun with. He's thinking about someone to go out with. So please and please again, don't accept a proposal with the mindset that this proposal can end up in marriage. I've already said on this platform that not every relationship will end up in marriage. Therefore, don't enter every relationship or any relationship with the mindset that it will end up in marriage. Go into the relationship with the mindset that we are going to study each other. We are going to cut our elements. We are going to check whether we are suitable for each other. Sometimes the woman will conclude that this man is my dream. This man is my future husband. this man is my Mr. Right. But the man may be having other thoughts, which could be as a result of a lot of reasons, but he may not feel you as his Mrs. Right. And this is where broken heart comes in. So most of the time the men are innocent. They come in looking for a friendship, not thinking about marriage yet. They just need someone to go out with. Then you accept the proposal. By you accepting the proposal, you have already thought about marriage. It doesn't work that way. The brain of the man does not work that way. When a man is looking for a date, every woman or any woman who meets his specs will qualify to be his date. But when a man is looking for a wife, he is careful. So when you put 10 women in the same room and you bring in a man and you say, pick a date or pick someone you want to go out with, he will pick about all the 10 or half of them. But when you bring that same man into that same room of 10 ladies and you tell him, gentlemen, pick your future wife, he may not find anyone among them, or he may pick only one. Even if you give him the chance to pick all 10, he will tell you, no, among the 10, I'm able to choose one. Among the 10, I'm able to choose none. What this means is that when a man begins to think about marriage, his criteria for selecting the woman changes. And this is what I and you should be watchful of. Some ladies also behave the same way. So let's say when you have settled on her, she's not yet settled. She is not ready to marry, or she thinks you are not his, you are not her future husband. You are not her Mr. Right. And that is the analysis and observation we should be doing each day in and out. We should not just be in the relationship. We should be observing the non-verbal communications. We should be looking out for the signs, and we should be able to bring up the conversation as to what is the purpose of this relationship. I have said it earlier on that don't enter a relationship without a purpose. So if you do not know the purpose, if the relationship is prolonging and things are happening and you are enjoying the relationship, but you feel that the subject of marriage is at the backstage, have the conversation around it and ask, what is the purpose of this relationship? Today on Singles and Searching, we are solving the problem of broken hearts. And I'm telling you, one reason why a lot of people get broken hearts is because, one, they enter and accept a proposal with their mind already set on marriage, whilst the other partner is just looking for a friend or a relationship. 3, we sometimes in the relationship conclude on the man or the woman, what do they think the future of this relationship is? Or we have not asked them, what is the purpose of the two of us being together? These questions must be asked and must be answered. If we are able to get to the bottom of these questions, I'm sure we will resolve a lot of broken hearts. This is resolving broken hearts 1. I'll bring you the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. I'm saying when you're accepting a proposal, accept it just as you have met someone who qualifies to be a friend. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying here with me. I love you. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification button. Share the video to the one who needs it. And let's meet again, God willing, same time next week. I am